a person goes to sleep, the soul travels and it meets with other souls in another realm. They are the souls of people who passed away. And the people who have passed away already, they may meet your soul with a message or a guide or a news, or if you miss them. And then Allah withholds the soul of the people who have passed away because they cannot come back to this world. And your soul returns to your body until your appointed time. Brothers and sisters, the Prophet, peace be upon him, told us that there is 45 parts of prophethood. And prophethood in Arabic, nubu'ah, means news. And after the Prophet, peace be upon him's death, only one is left out of that 45 parts. And that is a righteous dream. So people continue to see righteous dreams. And would you believe it, even non-Muslims receive righteous dreams from Allah from time to time. Allah may show you a dream that has a guidance or a warning or good news or something of that nature. As for the righteous dreams, the scholars said that there are a few signs to know that they're righteous. Number one, usually you remember every detail clearly. Number two, when you dream about them, you can feel as if they're real. You can almost touch and smell what's going on. Number three, when you wake up, you remember all the details because they were clear. Number four, they are usually connected to something in real life. Number five, they make sense in some way. So there is a reality to them. Number six, they do not go against the Sharia. Meaning, if you saw a dream where someone is telling you to do something haram or sinful, that's from the shaitan. A righteous dream doesn't come that way. And finally, tell someone you love, or a sheikh or an imam, who can help you interpret the dream, although we don't have a particular measure to really know what's right and wrong. But the Prophet, peace be upon him, did tell us, a dream usually happens the way you interpret it. So always think well of Allah and be optimistic about it.